Established in 1983, Crestchic Loadbanks is the world's largest specialist load bank company. Crestchic designs, manufactures, sells and hires load bank equipment, which is primarily used for the commissioning and maintenance of independent power sources such as diesel generators and gas turbines. Crestchic is a truly international company, with all manufacturing taking place from its state-of-the-art manufacturing facility based at Burton-upon-Trent, UK, supported by a network of sales and rental offices in the UK, North America, Singapore, Germany, the Netherlands, Brazil, Korea, Moscow, Azerbaijan and Dubai. Crestchic Loadbanks has been operationally successful in all 7 continents and are reliably testing power supplies every day in locations and climates across the world, serving a diverse range of companies and industries. The company's expanding and evolving product range includes standard-size resistive and reactive load banks to bespoke, custom-designed and built load banks of any size at any voltage and frequency to the specific requirements of its customers, who can choose from the range of standard-size resistive and reactive load banks. It also supplies packaged transformers for sale and rental. Crestchic has over 25 years' experience in developing load test solutions, utilizing the latest in-house CAD design software. The company design and manufacture load banks from 5 kW up to single containerized load banks having a capacity of 6.25 MVA. Crestchic manufacture resistive, reactive and DC load banks. Crestchic also package medium voltage transformers from 1 MVA to 6 MVA in containerized packages, complete with switchgear. Crestchic's highly experienced management team designs load banks and transformer packages to meet the demand expected globally by its customers, either for purchase or for Crestchic's global rental fleet. This is supported by a production capability in excess of over 500,000 MVA per annum. Crestchic UK Rental Office offers load bank rentals from 20 kW to multi-megawatt package, ranging from 1 day to several months in duration. Most Crestchic rentals are dedicated delivery, complete with cable installation and de-installation by a Crestchic driver technician. The company have additional rental depots serving the southeast UK, based in Rochester, Paris, France and Kassel, Germany, with an excess of 300 canopy load banks. In addition to the smaller canopy rental fleet, the company have a large range of containerized load banks and transformers available for rental projects around Europe and the rest of the world. Crestchic have a large quantity of containerized load banks and transformers in excess of 300 MVA in Europe alone. Crestchic manufacture to specific design to meet all of the customer's needs, with load banks built to customer specification, capacity, voltage, frequency and control type. Crestchic larger load banks are built in the style of specifically designed ISO DNV style containers. These load banks are all-weather, rugged IP55 rated. The ISO DNV design container allows units to be easily stacked and shipped worldwide. Crestchic containerized load banks can be found operating on top of high-rise corporate buildings, in shipyards, oil and gas terminals, military forces and data centers, and of course are supplied for Crestchic hire fleet operations. The company's load banks are sold around the globe, operating in harsh desert climates of the Middle East, high humidity areas of Brazil to the extreme cold of Siberia. All load banks are UK manufactured by the Crestchic's highly skilled and experienced engineers, with all processes closely monitored to ensure consistent quality manufacture. Manufactured and tested not just to meet but to exceed the rigorous standards of ISO 9001. All Crestchic load banks are thoroughly tested by trained engineers, and a large generator enables large load tests to be carried out on load banks prior to shipping. The company's operations are supported by its own fleet of vehicles, from large HGVs and high-ab vehicles, enabling Crestchic to deliver on time. The company's unrivaled product and service offering is further complemented by comprehensive training on its products, either in-house or at the customer's site. Crestchic engineers are also available for load bank maintenance and as load bank operators for large rental packages. In today's ever-changing world, Crestchic's clients are certain they can rely on Crestchic products to deliver. The need to test and maintain standby and independent power systems and the increasing reliance on power-critical technology used within the banking, medical, marine and defence industries has resulted in a continued strong rental demand for Crestchic's products and associated services. Furthermore, Crestchic is benefiting in certain geographies from a background of an increasingly unreliable global power infrastructure. Crestchic Loadbanks are manufactured to a high industrial standard and are designed for all-weather, rugged high-tech. Crestchic Loadbanks, delivering absolute certainty for your power requirements in an uncertain world. Crestchic Loadbanks, keeping industry's power online.